Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to do the system software update on this TV. Go to settings, tap on all settings. If you go down at the bottom, you can see the option support. Tap on this one. Tap on software update. Okay. So tap on the option update now. Now you can see they are checking for the available updates. If there any available updates are there, then you can see here. Just wait. You can see the updates are there. You can see some options at the bottom also. Several options are there: update while, upgrade while off, upgrade now, later, and view details. So if you want to view all the details on this update, simply tap on view details. So here you can see all the details. Okay, so if you want to update now, just tap on the option update now. If you want to do the update later, tap on later. Or if you want to upgrade while the TV is off, select the option upgrade while off. So simply in this way, we can do the system software update on this TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.